Tony Crimlisk. This is another two-chord song with a bit of a history. Everybody loves Saturday night. I'll sing it through, then I'll tell you more about it and go through the strumming patterns at the end. Everybody loves Saturday night. Everybody loves Saturday night. Everybody loves Saturday night. Bobo Warrow Farrow Saturday. Bobo Warrow Farrow Saturday. Bobo Warrow, Bobo Warrow, Bobo Warrow, Bobo Warrow, Bobo Warrow Farrow Saturday. Tout le monde aime samedi soir. Tout le monde aime au samedi soir. Tout le monde, tout le monde, tout le monde, oui, tout le monde aime samedi soir. Jeder liebt Samstagabend. Jeder liebt Samstagabend. Jeder lieb Samstagabend. Everybody loves playing the uke. 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 Who's tried it? Everybody loves playing the uke. Well, this song has been credited to many people, but what is certain is that it emerged as a protest song in Nigeria in the 1940s as a reaction against a curfew being placed on the Bantu population by the British. The tune is probably much older. The popularity of the song contributed to that restriction being at least partially lifted. Nigeria gained independence in 1960, but it retained the British monarch Elizabeth II as the titular head of state until the adoption of a new constitution in 1963, when it was declared a republic and became the 11th member of the Commonwealth of Nations. It's great for singing in a group and to get things going, all to end on an upbeat note. And Saturday could, of course, be easily changed to any other day of the week, and you could separate at night and morning, AM and evening, PM. It's often also used in language classes, hence me trying it out in a few languages. Sorry for the pronunciations. The words about the uke are my suggestion, but there could be many others. Everybody loves to sing and dance, join in the fun, clap their hands. That might lead to a bit of applause. And the song has been recorded by many people, including the Serendipity Singers, Pete Seeger, New Christy Minstrels, Chubby Checker, the Tarriers, and many others. It's a great song for getting people going, or I say to end on a high note. And it could be, of course, used with any two tonic and dominant chords, but I'll explain that more in other videos. Well, there's not a lot to say about the chords. There's two chords, there's the F chord and there's a C7 chord. And they alternate, each bar alternates between those two chords. Bar of F, bar of C7, all the way through the song. Strumming patterns, you can just go across with the thumb, ball and thumb, back up with the fingernail, or the thumbnail, I should say. And then if you want to go down with the floppy fingers. When they get to the middle bit, I just do a single chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and so on like that. If you want to know about strumming patterns, have a look at my two videos. One on strumming patterns on the ukulele, which is a long one, and the other shorter one, which is the most used strumming patterns on the ukulele. And when you come to the little bit about just playing the uke, just let yourself go. Have a little strum, or whatever you think. Just let people know you can play a few chords on the ukulele. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and whatever you do, however you do it, have fun. It's a fun song.